Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno legal matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Leave granted. Stop. This appeal arises out of an order in RT number 2/2021 by the High Court of Judicature at Madras. Stop. In those proceedings, the High Court had by order fixed the hearing of the main proceeding, which is a death reference. Stop. The appellant and some others were convicted under Section 302 of the IPC along with other provisions and Section 120B. Stop. The appellant were sentenced to death. Stop. Consequently, reference was made to the High Court, which was seized of all the proceedings and heard it from time to time. After ascertaining convenience of all the counsels, the appeals were listed for final hearing. Stop. The judgment of has recounted all these facts in detail. Stop. The further proceedings which took place before the High Court, the hearing and the order declining to direct state to produce documents enlisted in letter written to the public prosecutor on behalf of the appellant is impugned here. Stop. The final order proposed by Bella Trivedi J of rejecting an appeal is in our opinion justified in the circumstances of the case. Stop. However, we are unable to agree with the observations made during the course of her order as to the nature of the directions made in suo motu writ petition concerning the right of the accused to be supplied with documents or material seized or collected during the investigation but not relied upon. Stop. While hearing a criminal appeal and connected matters, concern was raised regarding common deficiencies and practices adopted by trial courts in the course of criminal trial and disposal of cases in the absence of uniform guidelines. Stop. This resulted wherein this court appointed amicus curiae and issued notice to all high courts and governments of all states and union territories so general consensus could be arrived at regarding the need to amend rules of practice criminal manuals to bring about uniform best practices across the country. Stop. The court noted salient aspects and inconsistencies in the practices and rules of the high courts. Stop. A wide consultative process was undertaken. Stop. Firstly, high courts and governments of states, union territories filed their responses. Stop. Taking note of these, the amicus curiae prepared a consultation paper and invited written responses from stakeholders. Stop. Next, a colloquium was convened to discuss this paper wherein high courts, governments of states, union territories and police departments participated. Stop. Based on the feedback, the amicus curiae prepared a report containing the draft rules of criminal practice 2020. Stop.